We might as well switch seats.
A night with Lode Maverick, Bogoy, and Silver. Yes, nice bike ka.
Man, this seat, man, this shit.
Tignan niya, may bisita ulit.
Damn.
Best friend.
At saka,
Ang hirap kasi eh.
take a picture. I'm gonna look.
Ang hirap talaga mag-catch up sa motor na to.
511.
Ha?
511.
511.
Get a break.
You're telling that bike's nice. You have a brand new bike in there. You should get that XR there, bro. But the thing is, if you're gonna compare that new XR that you have,
Padala ako sa XR daw. Patingin daw.
I will get your XR. May video mo
Mat,
na. Kukunin ko.
Sige, titingnan natin.
I can't get over this seat, bro. I remember the first time I touched this seat, I said, damn, why is this guy's seat so soft?
That's
You
why
added cushion on here, huh?
stock. When I bought the
Nah,
plastic.
this ain't stock.
Oh.
I think you added something.
No, that is stock.
Not this soft.
Oh, that is all stock.
My shit ain't soft like that. My shit ain't soft. That
Hala, ang gabi, ang linis, no?
yeah, it's clean. But the only thing is they got
of gas. Put a lot of gas in there.
I don't know why you did that.
It's okay.
The side is scratched up. That's the only thing.
Okay.
I don't know why you did that, Dexter.
Ay, that's small.
Yan lang kasi na P-brake siya.
Buti, sticker lang. Buti,
Yeah.
For me,
Ito unti lang. Yeah, parang sticker
You
lang.
won't ever notice it, really.
Bro, it didn't fell really hard like in here. There's no scratch in here, bro. I think he fell on something like a wall. That's a lot of
But this is so.
here. See? Ang ganda talaga. Dek, sobrang gaan. Sabi ko, shit. Ano ba to, XR? Iba talaga pag galing tayo sa motor ng ano, no? O, kaya mo yan. O, diba? Magaan yan.
Kaso na mga ano lang to. Wala ko naman. Hindi ako nagkakamay sa mga 100 cc.
Damn, bro, but there's a bolt in here, bro. What the hell?
Where the hell that came from? That looked like off your bike, Dexter bike.
That is not mine.
The shit, that come off our bike, KRY.
Yeah, that's a wire bolt.
I already don't have that kind of bolt.
So maybe it's mine then.
It's yours then.
What the heck? Seriously?
It gotta be.
All of my
Or maybe mine,
already stainless.
cause my bike was parked there.
Earlier. Just put this on our box, bro.
Oh no. Damn, now I gotta go check my fucking
Here.
bike.
Yeah, I think yeah, I need to check it because of the vibration, you know. Ganda Dex, no? Tapos suspension. Ito talaga nagandahan ko. Parang paddle eh. Sobrang laki. Ganda. Oh, motor kayo dyan. Nag-install ako server farm ng ano, Saya na grips. Yan. Hindi pa natapos, kwentuhan muna. Sabi Dexter, lagyan ng dishwashing liquid. Lagyan ng dishwashing liquid or shampoo. Try the video, bro.
I cannot do this on my bike. When you sit in your bike and pushing your bike with your feet.
Shit, bro, it's ready, right, bro? Damn.
Yeah, it slide in.
What the hell? It's effective.
Yeah, that's when it's beside, it will slide in. See, wow. See, beside. Easy,
ECP.
easy, yeah, easy peasy.
Good thing about detergent, when it's dry,
There you
it will
go.
not going to slide the grip. Because when
Yeah,
you
so-
use
so-
See, when the what's that white stuff?
because if you use oil or anything na oily, it will not going to dry. The problem is it will not going to stick the handle will not, it will not properly going to stick in the
Yeah, okay na. Thanks, bro.
slide na siya. That's why.
My hand and everything.
Why? Who scratched it? Okay. No, now.
Fun night. Fun.
Dex, di ba yung ano, yung tawag dito, yung carb nut ng stock, kapag hindi mo i-off yung valve, nag-overflow, no? Yung stock. Yan yung notice ko dyan, no? Kapag hindi ko turn off yung ano, yung valve
Kailangan i-adjust ang floater niya.
sa floater.
Marunong ka mag-adjust ng floater.
Sa loob, no? Oh, yung white.
Yung sa loob mismo.
Oh, yung white dyan.
Para
Okay.
sumara yung ano, early magsara yung
Oh, okay, oh. Oo nga, no? Tama.
adjust ka ng flow first. Pasok kaya siya.
Before,
Andito
after.
na ito.
Others, they just put 5 PSI for trail. By the time I'm gonna put air on it.
It looked like this. It's squishy.
Damn, Brembo. May mga subscribers ako na sa group eh. Kaya why? May mga subscribers na ako dyan. Happy sila makita nila sa vlog. Tapos yung mga modification ni Dexter, yan oh. Brembo. Dami na, hindi kami makakatch up sa ano. Palagi pagpunta dito ni Dexter, may mga bago talaga.
May bago na. Every week may bago.
May bagong kandidato rin.
Binigyan na yan sa akin. Lagyan ko lang dyan. Idol ko daw yung tama talaga si Mark ulit.
Oh, ito lang nakita ko na KRY na FI at carb. FI carb. Ganda ng mga kulay. Yan.
I want to get it in my name.
We have a plan. We going to have a vacation in Cagayan. Not
The bus.
to go.
Oh, to go.
Ship or airplane.
Okay, yeah.
Mas okay airplane.
Yeah, airplane.
Kasi baby Erwin kasi you know.
Ay, okay, Dex.
He cannot still ride the bike.
Susunod na lang kami kapag magmotor na tayo.
Time will came. You two guys will bring it.
Pero hindi pa yan, no? Hindi pa yan fix.
You can I don't want to compare Bacolod to Cagayan.
Iba talaga.
I don't want to compare because Bacolod has a positive side itself, but if you want me to describe Cagayan, that's why Julia married me. One of the reason she has interested in me because before he met me, he has a lot of interest in Cagayan.
Cagayan talaga, no? Ganda.
Before she met me, she always said, Cagayan.
Bukidnon is the goal in Cagayan.
The neighbor of Cagayan is Bukidnon.
Yeah, Bukidnon.
That's why, if you look at the map,
And now why you wanna go to Cagayan, bro?
just right,
I'm not worried about it.
you just ride the back roads, you're already in Bukidnon.
Ah.
Because it is beside the sea.
Hindi ko plano na sa Verpa
Also, it has more
pumunta ng
mountains.
Cagayan.
So there's so many tourist attractions
Dami daw.
when you go to Cagayan.
Yeah.
This
Bro,
is
I thought
already-
it's plastic, bro, but it's really how you paint it.
Ang
Akala ko yung plastic kaya ginanyan ko.
stock paint. Yan talaga yan. Stock paint.
Parang plastic,
It is
no?
powder coated. Kaya para siyang plastic paint lang.
Oo. Ganda.
Para siyang plastic paint lang.
Laki ng 4-pot, oh. Brembo.
Every time you see Dexter's bike, it looks different.
Okay naman to, Dex, oh. Kasi yan, yung sa akin na folding.
Ano lang ba? Nagagandahan lang ako.
Naka-clutch, racing clutch spring
O
ka.
kaya matigas. Ano yan?
This is the pull of the racing clutch spring, bro.
Bike spring, tsaka like fixed bike.
You tried it? No?
Lining na.
Sabi na eh.
Matigas siya. Matigas.
Oo. What the hell is that?
I think that's a good brass wall.
Oo. Yeah, that's the first time I heard that, bro. Yeah, my go-to, yeah.
Also the dog is
They're okay, they're okay.
By the time you go to me, I'm a
They're gonna be on the bed
actually because
of the rim.
120 is bigger than
Yeah.
110. But if you put one
Pero kay Dexter, iba.
if you put 110 tires on wide rims, it will be
So
look
soft.
like big because the tip of the tire it will look like a flat, so it look like a big tire, diba? Sa likod,
I like it.
Also, the traction on the cement is very good than one. I already used the 120. The problem of 120 is I don't like the handling because for me it's like something wobbles
Oh.
sometimes because of the traction. The tires becomes like a bubble because of the wheel.
Oh,
So if
sorry.
you use the 110, the traction will get better on the road.
Whenever my tires get
Akala ko rivets.
110 and 150.
Bolts lang yan
Bolts.
kasi
Akala ko
Windshield kasi yan,
rivets.
diba? Nung naglagay ako ng windshield.
Oo. Makahanap ako ng sumo tires. Maganda na lang yung plug and play. Alam natin ang process pero iwas hassle na lang.
Balik ka pa bukas sa Mansilingan.
Oo.
Diba?
Lagay kami ng ng ceiling ulit.
Ah,
Teka lang, ano next mo na project ulit?
yung crankcase.
Ay, okay.
Kung fit siya, pwede ko siya ibenta.
Chrome na yun, di ba? Chrome.
Hindi, painted yun, painted. Kung fit siya, magmamarket ako. Kasi hindi you cannot
Oh,
market.
si Dexter talaga yung yung prototype ng lahat.
Hindi, you cannot market item sa KRY kung
Ah.
hindi mo matesting. Kasi
Tama.
paano ba naman ang plug
Tama.
and play? So, I need to test.
Sabihan mo kami, samahan ka
Pero
namin.
if hindi siya fit, pwede ko siyang ibenta sa mga naka-XR 200. Kasi
Oo.
pwede kasi yun sa mga nakakayo na motor. Marami
Kayo.
pwede.
Kayo pala, parehas lang sa
Pareho
atin.
lang yung mga naka MPX na
Oo.
4-stroke, pareho lang yun. Pwede ko siya ibenta, so hindi siya sayang.
Ayos.
Pinag-isipan ko lang din yun, i-ibenta ko siya. Yan. Pang spare, may naghahanap, ibenta ko yun. So yun ang next project ko. If fit siya,
You just talk about that earlier, bro. Then there's already a next project.
then decals, i-install ko yung decals, ayan. Saka, ano pa?
Oo nga, no? Decals. Damn, bro. I said if the decals you can remove it and put it there.
Kaya
Kasi hindi
nagpa-order ako ng decals because this type of body is
Iba yung adhesive.
this type of body is already 2014 old. So, no one makes that draft or design of decals. aside
Oo,
from-
sa'yo talaga pag ship na
Wala
dito,
siya,
fit na
wala-
fit, no?
Dito kasi sa atin,
Ito.
walang gumagawa ng ganitong decals. Yung ganitong
Ito yung layout. Sa'yo, sabi mo noon may
yung
layout.
gumagawa lang nito sa JP lang sa taga Manila. Kasi yung marami na kasi siyang nagawa na ganitong body kit.
Mm.
Since then, dati pa yan, gumagawa na yan ng decals ng dirt bike. Ito na talaga yung mga design niya.
Mm.
So, siya lang ang may idea at may
Layout.
layout.
Oh,
May layout sa ganito. Sa kanya na ako. Pangalawa, quality talaga yung sticker niya. Sa JP decals.
Ganda rin to.
Quality talaga yung sticker niya. Makapal.
Ano to, Dex? Ah!
Alloy.
Okay. Grabe haba, ah.
May, na mura lang yan sa
Ups, walang price. Video.
It is Shopee. Meron naman yun. Hindi na ako nagbebenta masyado ng
hindi na.
Actually, yung mga ko na lang binibenta.
So, yan ang Server Fam. Hanggang next night talk with Bugoy and Lodi Maverick. Ciao. Lagyan ng TMX pang gilid. Lahat.
Pwede.
Yung sa'yo, hindi pa.
Hindi ko yan. Hindi.
Ano yung mga pros and cons sa...
Wala naman akong idea sa ganyan, pero
Mas maralo mo raw ma-enjoy, di ba? Kita mo rin sa mga group. Nalagyan na TMX, panggilid.
panggilid. Wala ako masyadong background.
Same as what Ray told us, ha?
Yeah. That's. I want to.
Si Justin parang gusto niya.
Hindi ko na subukan yun. Wala namang in-advise sa akin yung mekaniko ko.
Pero ano, palitan mo talaga lahat, panggilid TMX lahat. Mm.
Pwede yan. Panggilid. Pero
Maybe I should try it on this bike.
wala namang in-advise yung mekaniko ko. Wala naman siyang
Oo.
in-advise na hindi sa
Kung ano yung sa performance.
siguro yung mga may alam, pwede siguro lalakas pero wala ko yun.
Mm.
Hindi ko na subukan.
That's why I like, bro.
What do you did?
Lick.
Hilig.
Start na daw, so.
I'm afraid of insects, especially cockroach.
Yeah. Damn, you like my.
Kahit sino naman,
I don't like
ayaw sa ipis.
My dad don't like cockroach.
Damn, bro, it's nice if we also have Bill. Like, Bill is only near.
Yeah. I was talking to Bill earlier.
Oh, wow.
Babong na pala LED ninyo, sayang no?
Oh, ganda talaga ng fender ng Dexter.
Yeah.
Ano yung mga available mo na fender ng Dex?
Meron naman doon, parang,
Meron ka doon pang YZ, pang CRF.
mga kasi yun, mga old enduro ba?
Oh, yun din duro, no.
Mga binduro kasi yun sa akin.
Gusto ko kasi yung mga medyo matulis.
Parang-
Yan, oh, ang ganda, oh. Ganda, surfa mo. Yung may mga edge. Ganda yung edge.
Yeah, it looks sleek.
Yeah, yo, looks slick.
I
Yeah.
was telling them earlier.
like something sharp.
Yeah.
That you can find that this kind of design, you can find it to ordinary bikes. It's hard to find that, bro.
Perfect on a KR1.
Yeah. Plug and play rin to Dex, no? Ito, plug and play mo rin.
Naganti yun.
Shit.
Pati sa boses. Sakto lang.
When I put air in my tire earlier, it's the nozzle of the compressor.
What, the shells?
No, Petron. It's hard. Like, it's nice if you bought something like your valve is blowing like this. But for trail, you need a lock on your valve, lock valve, something like that. So that if you have a flat tire, it will not move.
Okay.
Some of the valves are doing like this. It's crazy if it will go inside your rim.
That's okay.
Pero Dex, original di ba natin na rim, ano no? Metal to no? Steel to eh.
Metal yan.
Kaya,
Matibay
kaya,
yan.
kaya mabigat.
Oh, mabigat siya pero matibay.
Matibay talaga
Ay,
sa trail, no?
When my bags is stuck pa, grabe talaga yung harapas ko doon
Oo.
sa Bukidnon. Because I lived in Bukidnon for 2 years.
Grabe, Dex. Sa Bukidnon ko pala talaga, Dex.
Oh, sa Bukidnon to na divergenize yung
Grabe to. Yung motor, Dex. To.
Kasi after ko
Trail
nakuha to,
talaga doon.
After ko nakuha
Grabe,
to,
Dex. Na-enjoy mo talaga pag motor, ganun.
talagang
Yeah, him and
Talagang-
Orange had a lot
when
of
I
people
bought
to
the
talk
bike-
about that.
when I bought the bike, hindi siya garage queen, talagang bundok to. Ganing spear stock, talagang araw-araw.
Parang ganito nga. Ganito.
Oo,
Oh, ganito.
siya. Kaya nga bugbog to lagi sa trail. Lagi ako 2 times umakit ako ng Impasugong, Nasandigan.
Grabe.
Kaya sa isang linggo, 2, 3, pabalik-balik.
Ano worst na problema na na-encounter mo sa motor mo, Dex?
Worst.
Maliban sa mga flat, normal lang yan.
Ano ba? Yung talagang nahirapan ako is nung nabasagan ako ng bearing
Sa likod?
sa hub. Nasira talaga yung hub.
Oh, shit.
Di ba? Di ba?
Saan ko pa? Malayo pa?
Yung hinatid ko si Julia, girlfriend ko noon, wife ko na ngayon. Hinatid
Oh.
ko siya sa airport. Nasa Cagayan pa kami noon. Nagtaka ako. I just wondering why na pagka binatakbo ko, sumasama yung axle pag ikot. Nagtaka ko, bakit umiikot pati yung axle? Di ba, supposed to
Oo.
be, meron siyang
Stopper,
stopper.
oh.
Basag na din siya.
Ulo.
Baka normal lang yan. Sabi ni normal din yan. Pero hindi.
Oo.
Bakit sumasama siya pag ikot? Habang pinatapatak.
Kahit nga,
Bakit tumatakbo siya?
Kahit nga walang stopper, hindi yan sumasabay.
Sumasabay siya ikot. Gumaganon siya pati yung lock niya.
Oh.
Bakit siya umiikot? Tsaka normal lang siguro yan. Sige, wala pa ako siya masyadong background.
Hassle. Yung hub.
Stuck pa yung...
Akala ko bearing lang, pero hub talaga. Nabasagan ka ng hub.
Oo, tsaka umiikot.
Grabe, ang tibay na ng hub natin. Nabasag mo pa.
Kasi, dati, wala pa akong masyadong paki pagka mabasagan ka ng bearing. Kasi talagang sinasagad talaga natin minsan. Pwede
Sa
yan,
ibang
no?
tao sabi, okay pa yan, okay pa yan.
Ayun, hinatid ko siya kasi uwi siya ng Bacolod noon dito.
Tinatamaan yung hub
Oo.
kapag sira yung bearing.
Kaya, nag-stop kami sa isang motor shop, binuksan. Yung mga ball bearing, kinain na pala niya yung hub. Pumasok na sa loob. Kaya, ang ginawa nila,
Yun.
na nagawa naman ng paraan yung hub na salvar pa, kahit papano.
Ito rin purpose na yung bearing natin sa likod. Dalawa-dalawa, no? Apat lahat.
Kaya, simula nun, every time na medyo
Bro, binabasag ko pa, Dex. Apat na.
every time na mag-wiggle na yung bearing, nagpapalit na ako. Hindi ko na hinihintay na talagang madurog siya.
Nadurog siya.
Kasi nakumpya na ako.
Oo.
Then, time came na pangatlong hub ko na to eh. Yung
Crap.
pangatlong hub ko na to. Sa 7 years na mayroon akong Rusi, pangatlong hub ko na to.
Grabe.
Yung una, yun nga, nasira, nabasag. Kaya palit ako. Sa pangalawa, nabasag pa rin. Siyempre, ikaw ba naman, araw-araw ba yung binabay? 5 hours, 6 hours binabiyahe.
Grabe.
Mababasag talaga yung hub. Yan talagang problema ng hub.
Ah.
Ay, sa pangatlong bili ko ng hub,
Kasi yung hub natin aluminum, di ba?
aluminum kasi yan. Tsaka,
Buti na.
mabigat kasi yung Rusi.
Oh,
Yan,
mabigat.
Mabigat kasi ang Rusi.
Kaya nga, Dex, parang di nila alam kapag nag-drive tayo ng ganitong motor. Hindi nila alam, palagi tayo nagwe-weights.
Oh.
Kaya kanina, pagdala ko ng XR, Shit, parang papel yung exam.
Mabigat kasi kaya kahit branded yung bearing, even though you have a branded bearing, sa kala na mabigat talaga ang rusi, tapos mababasag talaga yan.
Grabe.
It's not the rusi na sirain.
Oo.
Hindi, dahil kasi sa weight talaga
Weight,
ng rusi. Pangalawa, yung shock, kung medyo matigas siya, stiff, madaling basagin yung bearing. Kaya, sa pangatlong bili ko pangatlo na to, ang ginawa ko is, before I put the hub in the bike, pinamachine ko na siya agad.
Ay, pinalakihan mo nga.
Dinala ko na siya agad sa machine. Pinalakihan ko
Yes,
na agad
yes,
yung
hub,
bearing.
bro. It's have a bigger hole.
Instead na 6905 yung bearing, ginawa ko siyang 6004.
Oo.
Para siyang bearing ng habal-habal.
Oo.
Malaki, apat pa rin magkabilaan.
Kaya ngayon, hindi ka na nagpapalit ng bearing.
Bihira na lang.
Grabe.
Matagal na ako nagpapalit. Kasi matagal siya mabasag. Malaki kasi siya.
Yan.
Kaya, ayun. Kailangan mo talagang gawin. Kaya, bihira na ako nagpapalit. Hindi siya stock. Dapat,
Gustong-gusto talaga ni Bugo yung yung upuan ni Dexter, sobrang soft.
stock talaga yan. Yan talaga yung design niya. Na upuan na yan. Stock
Yan ito Kurt Dexter, bro. Bro, please. I'm begging you.
I'm gonna just take my seat off.
That's
Unscrew
good
the
for your
bottom of
balls,
the thing
bro.
that he told me.
And it's good for your nuts.
But I don't think it's gonna work though.
It will not fit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Modify it. I heard him
He already
earlier
modified
said
it.
with a screw under.
Yeah.
It is a totally different mounting.
You like what says side mirrors, how you modified
Yeah, I
it.
like that.
You have a big panel.
But if
Kasi
I could
na
get
yan,
anything, it would be the seat first, then the fender, then
Naka-Dakar setup na yan.
the Brembo.
Tinago mo lang yung mo, Dex.
Ha?
Yung tawag mo dito. Yung setup mo dun sa harap. Yung tower mo.
Andun sa bahay, babalik ko lang yun pag tapos sa race to.
Okay. Hindi strict dito, Dex. Bakit
tinanong
tinalis
din
mo?
kasi naghahanap ako ng ilaw na hindi LED. Ng LED kasi yun. 16 yun eh. 16 sa baba, 16 sa baba. Ilan yun? 32.
Bulag.
Nag-drive ako doon kahit sa Talisay lang. Ang init. Gumaganon ng mga enforcer. 16 ng LED sa harap. Bawal kasi yun. Kaya maghanap ako ng simpleng LED na kakasya doon sa
Pero ang liwanag niya 16.
Ang liwanag nun. Ano yun eh? Auxiliary yun ng 4x4 eh.
Oo, kita ko yun, oh.
Sobrang
Sa trail yun,
liwanag
sa trail yun
talaga.
ng 4x4.
Siguro kung ikaw yung kaharap ko doon, parang kukunin ka ni Lord.
Oh, kinuha na yung mata mo.
Ang liwanag doon. Kaya tinanggal ko muna kasi parang nakakaharap ko ng
Oo.
kaaway.
Babalik yan sa,
Pero ang
sa
kagandahan
setup.
doon, the good thing
Adventure.
kasi na ano kasi yun, madali kasing tanggalin yun. Apat lang naman na bolt yun eh.
Oo.
Tsaka lahat ng wirings niya nakasakit na. Nakaset up na yung yung stock, tsaka yun, sa naka-program na siya. So, tatanggalin ko lang yung apat na bolt, tatanggalin ko yung sakit.
Paslak na.
Okay na yun, madali lang ibalik. Kaya gusto ko plug and play. Pag malayo yung biyahe namin, yun, binabalik ko yun. Kasi sa experience ko, kung malayo yung biyahe, pag may windshield ka, hindi ka masyadong pagod. Based sa experience
Oo,
ko
tama,
talaga,
tama.
Dati nagbabiyahe ako ganito lang, lahat ng hangin tumama sa katawan ko, pagod ako.
Tama.
Talagang nakakapagod as in.
What are dogs doing
Malapit
there,
pa
bro?
lang biyahe, talagang so, exhausting.
There's a rat.
Talaga. Pero pag may windshield ka, kahit maraming biyahe, hindi ka pagod.
Yeah, a windshield makes a big difference.
And also the rain.
The problem naman,
Kunising ini yun, last na yun. Kay Kwan, nami itong iyab ng kondisyon ko kayo.
Andito na si Bill. Andito na si Chito. Ay,
Nakain
Dexter.
ko kapag-
Nunuma na kami sa Pump. Oh,
Team X155,
Oh.
butang.
TMX.
usapang motor pa rin. Anong oras na? 12 pa lang, 12. Shopee time, ah. What do you choose, bro? Coffee or Red Horse? Si
Bye-bye.
Bill, coffee.
TMX yun, gabi ka makasama.
Coffee, Dexter. Kami ni Bugoy
Kaliper
nag-beer.
lang, isa ka book sa likod. Start. Nagaman, hindi
Basta builder, may malaking power bank.
Nagbaligya ako po siya.
One.
Pwede pang pang ng start bla. Starter, push po.
Yan dito, kinulam ko lang.
Bro, why you say weird about the XR, bro? What's weird about your new bike?
I don't know, bro.
Sa power, okay siya. Malakas, di ba ako sugman?
But you can really feel it,
It's
huh?
not what I expected.
What the heck? So you expect like power like a big bike?
Magandali nyo? It's very light to drive. No?
What the heck?
Different.
That's all I could say. It's different. It's not what I
Nandun
expected.
siguro sa